All right, our new plastic front console just arrived, and if you buy a new one, it already comes with new gasket here, sensor here, clip here. It's ready to go. All right, this front console has 5 longer bolts and 4 shorter ones. The ones that are in here are the longer ones. So those 3 and these 2 here, you can tell because it's thicker here, and where the smaller ones go, it is much thinner. So make sure our gaskets are in place. And I can just tuck this here, and that piece fits right through the little gap here. Just want to make sure this goes in and it seats nicely. All right, on my new console here, I have a pretty big gap when I just hold it up, and I think the reason is because this metal piece is making contact right here. So I'm gonna try to bang in that corner a little bit. All right, just a few medium whacks with a hammer, and I now have some clearance there. I think this gap now is just mostly, the gasket is really big and new, and when I put the bolts in, it should tighten that down. Should probably come as no surprise, 10 Newton meters. And again, these are T30s. Please give the video a thumbs up. Of course you're subscribed. I will see you guys on the next part of this engine build.